Have you heard of Gamma? Gamma is an AI-powered tool that will take your text and create presentations, documents, and websites. Let's take a quick peek at it together. This is the Gamma website at gamma.app. They offer a free version that seems like it would work for the average person. You can sign up with Google or with an email. It will ask you a few questions about how you intend to use Gamma, and then you'll be ready to go. I chose Create New and then Paste in Text. I used text from the Minnesota Department of Education's Artificial Intelligence in Education document. All I've done is paste in the text. Gamma suggested for whom I am writing and the tone based on the text. In the free plan, there is a limit on how many AI input tokens and AI credits are available, so that may determine if a free plan will work for you. Now let's see what Gamma puts together when I click the Continue button. Before I click the Generate button, I can choose the theme I want to use. Then I let Gamma do its magic. After Gamma generates the cards, aka slides, I can edit and personalize them using the tools in the toolbar on the right. I can change the theme, present, and share the link using the buttons across the top. Check it out for yourself to see if Gamma is an AI tool that is right for you.